Hi, welcome to Aeo.vc. This is Elma, and we are decoding Answer Engine Optimization. The user journey in 2025. The advent of generative search has fundamentally compressed and reconfigured the digital user journey. The traditional multi-step process, which involved a user conducting a search, clicking on several links, navigating different websites, manually comparing information, and finally synthesizing a conclusion, is being rendered obsolete. The AI now performs the heavy lifting of comparison and synthesis upfront. In the new journey, a user poses a complex query and receives a comprehensive, synthesized answer almost instantly. The marketing funnel is effectively being inverted. The AI now handles much of the middle-of-funnel research and consideration phase that was previously guided by content marketers. For example, a query like, "Compare the top 3 project management tools for a small marketing team," can be answered in a single AI-generated overview that pulls data from official product pages, third-party review sites, and user forums. The user who interacts with this summary has already been guided through a comparison. If they choose to click a link provided in the citation, they are no longer in a research phase, but are likely moving toward a decision or transaction. This explains a key finding from recent industry studies. While the volume of referral traffic from AI sources may be lower, its quality and intent are significantly higher. A 2025 SEMrush study, for instance, found that the average visitor from an LLM converts at a rate 4.4 times higher than a visitor from traditional organic search. For businesses, this means the most critical marketing battle is no longer about guiding users through the funnel, but about ensuring their brand's information is the authoritative material the AI uses to construct the funnel for the user. Now we should know why this matters for your business. Adapting to this new era of search is not an optional strategy, but a critical necessity for survival and growth. Industry forecasts paint a clear picture of a landscape in rapid transition. Gartner predicts that traditional search engine volume will decline by as much as 25% by 2026. While a SEMrush study projects that traffic from LLMs will surpass that from traditional search by 2028. Businesses that fail to adapt their digital strategies risk becoming invisible to a large and growing segment of high-intent users who have adopted AI-powered platforms as their primary discovery tools. The strategic goal must evolve. It is no longer sufficient for a brand to be findable in a list of links. It must become quotable as an authoritative source that AI systems trust and cite. Early case studies demonstrate the profound impact of this shift. Companies that have successfully implemented GEO strategies report not only enhanced visibility, but also dramatic improvements in lead quality and conversion rates, with some seeing traffic from AI sources convert at rates 6 to 27 times higher than traditional search traffic. This transition represents more than just a new channel to manage. It is a fundamental test of a brand's true authority. While traditional SEO could sometimes be gamed with tactical approaches like aggressive link building, GEO is far more difficult to manipulate. It relies on an AI's holistic assessment of a brand's credibility across the entire digital ecosystem. It inherently rewards genuine expertise, original research, and transparent, user-first content, while penalizing the shallow, SEO-first content of the past. In essence, GEO makes real-world authority a direct and powerful digital ranking factor. We will continue in the next episode on how generative search works,